Buy to give to my friend.
Ibibigay niya lang daw yun.
Magkano kuya ang bigay mo rito?
120.
130 oh.
130. Alam ba ba? Fix in 130
Ilan po ba yung ano?
pesos.
Marami siyang kayo.
But this is the only place? Mga
No,
ilan po?
ay, this is on the only place you can buy the sweets.
And the price everywhere same?
How many pieces you get?
Huh?
How many pieces?
I don't know how much over luggage, no? I'll buy...
Nakapamili na kasi gusto lang niya i-try sa
Kasi kung yung mga price.
5 pieces? You get 5 pieces? 5 pieces?
No, I will try different.
Different kasi ang gusto niyang i-try.
Discountan mo na.
Vlog.
Hawakan mo. Vlog siya. Vlog.
This is banana. No. Mango. How much is one? 100. This is 100 bread for 100?
Yeah, 100.
No, I
Because
mean...
different,
That is a good product so that it's 100 pesos.
This one is the real mango meat. But the other one, similar to that one is pure.
From Cebu.
Pureed.
saan yung tulong?
What's that?
Ano nga ba ito? Pastillas.
Sweet?
Sweet also, yeah. It's has milk and ano yun te? Milk. Diba milk lang yan?
Magkano ka lamang?
80?
Basta lahat. Yes, sir. 80 pesos. Ayan, ube. Ube. Isang ube. Ube flavor. Hapon.
Same?
Bibi, usog ka ng konti, baby.
Oo, that one is ube.
Ubi flavor. And that one is the... Gilid ka, gilid ka.
The other one yun.
You don't like to try yema? Yema is good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Heavy.
Ay, sa kwan niya.
Kasi niya sa lagi.
Sa luggage niya.
How much?
100. Ano pa ba baby ang ano yun? Kasi yan lang. Mabigat na kasi gusto niya sana mag-ano. Magkano yung ganyan siya? 1.5. Ayun.
I put in my luggage all clothes.
Kalamansi powder. Alin to?
Calamansi powder.
Powder. I have a tree. I have a tree in my house.
Alin ba?
This one, you see how much?
120 pesos.
Gilid ka ba yun kayo para makuha yung ano? Oh, sorry much.
So tonight we will try to put everything in my luggage.
Eh?
Can be?
I have a small, ano,
Small. She has small.
Also same?
yeah.
Yes, that's yema.
Wala kang ganun na nakalagay sa Tupperware ate. May Tupperware ba tayo dun?
No, this is yema.
Yes.
Yes, it's also yema.
Milky.
Yes.
Milk. So we will buy from her or we will go to another shop.
Maybe we can go to other shop.
Okay, we will help her. How much is it?
190. It's only 90.
What's more? This one we have still.
That one? Huh?
When I was a child, I used it.
Yes, I also. We also here. You can go in other store so you can see other sweets.
Ito ba yan?
Yeah.
This is what, Yema?
No, pastillas. The one I saw it to you there. But it's smaller.
It's very easy to get.
Yeah, it's easy to buy. Magkano yan, te? Opo. 80? This one is 80. Bigger is 150. Diyan, diyan, less.
If not, I will return, huh?
Iwi, tingguan mo.
Thank you. Pinalo niya.
So?
I-follow
Enough?
your
Page?
Yes. She already.
Ah, okay. Let all shop to follow me.
Ah.
Okay.
Gladys,
Taman?
kinala mo? Gladys! Where's madam?
Madam, ah?
Ipakita mo yung butcherong pinakita mo?
So many sweets here in the Philippines, no?
I have a luggage. I mean, I have many kilos to carry, but the thing is, there's no space to put.
Yung space ng luggage na full na, hindi ba yun maayos? Yung luggage niya, wala nang malagyan niya kadala.
Baka naman yung pagtiklop ng
You want to, Teresa,
Fix your luggage,
part?
if you like.
Yours is the one that's nice to fix the luggage. Yeah.
My little bag, it has
Ah,
many
so
clothes
many dress-
inside,
clothes
but
inside.
very little only, the black one.
Yeah, but you have to wear the mask when you open my
okay,
luggage
it's
because I
have
didn't wash
mask
my
in
clothes.
house.
Don't worry, I have mask. Tara, doon na tayo. Kaya saan tayo dadaan dito na?
Ano sabi ni ate?
Doon nga siya sa may ano, sa may...
Lumuha siya na. Bibitayin ako ng 20. Magpapakamit ka. Okay. Pati yung, I have something to want to taste to you, okay? I'll buy, okay?
What's that?
Let's go.
Mother Mary,
Dito lang ako ah.
Yes po.
kuya. Dalawang 20. Ikaw gusto mo, Mitch?
Bigyan mo na
that?
rin to.
Tatlong 20.
What's that?
Champurado.
Very
It's on rice. This one, oh, you see? This one rice. They cook in the coconut milk. Wait lang, wait lang. Ayaw mo? Dalawa lang, kuya.
Mamaya, ano ka dito?
They put milk.
No meat.
No meat, no meat. It's pure rice.
And gata.
Gata.
So
Coconut
he's the
milk.
good chef in this expert.
Ah, yes, he's the expert.
Lagyan mo ng ano?
Gatas kuya.
Oo. Gata sa gata.
Gatas at gata.
Di ba?
What's that? Milkmaid?
Iba.
Iba. Try. Mix first.
Vlog me please.
Sige, sige. Ihawakan mo lang din.
This one.
Yan, yan. Sige, dalawa sila. Oh, yan, yan. Okay na yan. Yan mo ng konti. Yan.
Yes. And
Try.
mix. Meat on. Ay, wait.
More,
Sige, ma'am.
more protein?
Yeah.
It's nice.
Delicious.
When it, the weather is cold, you eat like this in the Philippines.
Siguro may ito lagay din yan at nagbablog.
From Tikman mo rin.
Cornflakes. Huh? Right? Cornflakes?
Cornflakes.
Made in black and brown rice.
Yeah.
Yeah, black and brown.
Lapit mo sa kanya. Tingin mo sa kanya.
Ikaw nga, baby, magano na.
Hindi kaya ni Mitch.
Ito
Kaya.
na para makakain siya.
Yeah, that one, yes. Mm.
Yeah.
It called champurrado.
This may be healthy.
Yes, that is healthy.
Good for good look.
Baby,
Good look.
It's not good looking.
ikaw na para makakain siya.
You're healthy.
Nagva-vlog kasi siya, kuya. Eh, you like mo yung page niya para makita yung pan mo nyo.
Ikuha na
What's your
mo.
picture?
Travel with Chamath.
Chamath. Travel with my name.
Eh, ikuan mo, kuya, para makita yung page mo.
Cebu, Palawan,
Bakit ayaw mo? Ayaw mo yan.
Yeah, ito ang logo niya, oh.
Follow me.
Nice, na?
She did vlog her also.
Nice, Mish. Nice. Nice food. You see? Travel
Say travel with
Chamath.
Travel with Chamath.
Yeah.
She's very shy, huh?
No. He's a shy person. You see it? Eh, they don't like.
Only Coca-Cola.
Nice, no?
We will see again in another vlog.
Okay.
It's all good.
Ay, si Ate Aksa wants to drink this. No, it's only for ladies drink.
It's up to you. Or this one will buy for ladies.
Ah, the bar?
Oo, yun ang ano, mas
Para ice lang sila.
parang yun.
It's only a rock ice.
Sino ba talaga nun?
Ikaw?
Dalawa naman kami nini.
Masarap yung
Very cheap here, the products.
Eh, you want?
Very cheap. This is a wine store.
Kuya, ano ba yung
Apple.
bahala kayo?
Apple ka
Di ba maano yan? Paano pag inom nila yan?
They say this is a good brand.
Apple?
Hindi lang.
Pure lang? Mauubos yung dalawa yan?
This is...
I'm going to try.
Handa sa lista.
What about tequila?
Tequila.
You know tequila?
Yeah. Okay.
How about wine then? Take one wine.
Wine? Sige, ano bang wine ang panyo?
Just a second. It's good for Okay? Yeah.
Francis Magana, approaching America, please.
Black label.
The black label?
I tried that one. I tried that. Black label, Jack Daniel. You know how much Jack Daniel, the small bottle?
Wow. How much?
70,000 pesos. One cent.
Here.
No, real. Very expensive.
695, sir.
Kuya,
Yeah,
magkano?
thank you.
3,000.
That big, oh? 3,000 plus.
Cheap here.
Ah.
Legal cheap in your country.
Pila yan?
Ano mo sabi?
17,000.
Yeah,
Ah.
17,000.
I'm like,